Here's what you need to know about a comp card. All right, the first look is going to be the headshot, and here's what's important. You need a shot of your kid where you can really see their eyes. They always look at the eyes. It's a big deal for them. You need a professional photographer, again, for the purpose of the light being reflected in their eyes correctly. So let me tell you a story that's going to blow your mind. It did mine anyway. Remember I told you that casting directors and agents, they look through photos like bank tellers go through money? I distinctly remember having somebody tell a story for a group, like a workshop or something, about looking through headshots and something jarred them. They loved the headshot, the person looked great, the lighting was awesome, but there was something they could not figure out that was driving them crazy about the headshot. And guess what it was? They could barely see the reflection of the photographer in the person's eyeball. That's how good they are at looking at these photos. So that's why you have to have a legit photographer to know how to work out those details, to make sure the lighting is reflected correctly and that it looks like your eyes carry light. And then also to make sure that there's not something weird reflecting in your eyeball, because they will see it.